Hello and welcome to Off-Grid Getaway. A year ago, we purchased a 40-foot long, 9-foot high cubed shipping container to transform into a tiny house. Today's video, we will focus on the garage door / sliding glass door that we installed on the shipping container, as well as some of the other options we used for doors until that was installed. When we got the shipping container, we found that it was important to clean it out. So we used a cleaning solution to wash the walls and the ceiling and floor down. Before we had the garage door cut in, we had the two back doors wide open, and you need to have those doors open to sleep in there. So I took a tent that had blown down in the wind and was destroyed, and I cut it up and I sewed it back together. So it was a large panel with the zipper of the tent opening, and I just magneted it to the shipping container. You can get shipping containers with doors already installed, but we decided to opt out of that choice because it would have taken too long to get the shipping container, and we were anxious to get one. There he goes, cutting the final portion of the garage door.
Like a glove.
Yeah, I have one of my guys that we had to take off door duty. He'll end up with a gap this big at the top, and then we gotta like fill it. So this is way better.
When I first started sheeting roofs, running down the valley, cutting your valley lines, hip lines, whatever, shit was like this. As I got better, like, okay, cool, nice straight line.
The left. All right. This side has the paint. All right, so you gotta put your whole. Figure out how to get this in here. It's always tricky because there's not a lot of room in the container. See, these things are long as heck. I think I need to cut them off.
After the garage door was installed, we framed in that portion of the Conex and we installed a sliding glass door.